Hello, Soha Tabu Albal Tabasu Albal and Gauri. Please switch on your cameras. Only three joined till now. Hi Gauri, the same Gauri. You remember me? You were absent on last class, right, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am, but I thought it was a different subject. So tomorrow is my max exam.
Oh, you have this chapter for the exam. Okay, what about you, Soha? Please switch on your camera. We can wait for a few minutes. If nobody joins, then we can start the class. Okay, dear. Hello, Tia. Switch on your camera, Tia. Hello, Tia. So, let's start the class, right? So, welcome to 19 plus double power tuition, the world's first learning assurance model. It's me, Fiona. I will be the tutor for today's section. Today, it is day one workout session. That means we will be doing questions related to the topic what we learned on the previous class. So, I hope you already have clarified all your doubts on the last class. If you have any doubts regarding the concept what we learned, throughout the section ask me doubts. So it will make our section an interactive one. So let's start the test. Let's start the class. So first question: find all the angles inside the following rectangles. That's the question. Please try these questions, first question and second question, and I will be explaining the question after I got all your answers. Okay, did you got the answers? Tia?
No.
Soha? No, please make it fast. I will give you a tip. These are parallel lines. These are parallel lines and each angle is 90 degree. I hope these tips can help you to find the answer. And here this means they bisect each other. That means this side and this all these sides are equal. If it is this side is 4 centimeter, then this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. All it diagonals bisect each other. They are equal. If I give the midpoint is O, then OQ, OR, OS and OP are equal. Yes, dear, I will clarify your doubts after the class. Now let me explain this question. As I said before the first figure, I am going to explain the first figure. So this is the figure. Okay. Here it is already mentioned. This is 30 degree. Then you know it's a parallel line. It's a parallel lens because opposite sides are parallel, right? So if you extend these two sides and these side and this side, We already know one thing, what I taught you on the last class. Two parallel lines, there is a transversal line. Then this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, this is angle 6, this is angle 7, angle 8. All the odd numbers are equal. Similarly, if these are parallel lines, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, that it means this is 5, this is 6. So this angle will be 60 degree. All the odd numbers are equal and all the even numbers are equal. So here this is 30 degree. That 6 equal to here, the 6 equal to 30 degree. Then this 4 also will be 30 degree. Right. So these two angles become 30 degree. Then what will be this angle? Obviously this is 30 degree, then this is 90 minus 30 degree. That is equal to, what is 90 minus 30 degree? 60 degree. So this angle will be, sorry, this is 30 degree. So this is also 60, this is 60 degree. The same rule. If it is 60 degree, then this also will be 60 degree. That's it. So we got two sides. As we said before, these two this is a triangle. This is a triangle with one side is 30 degree and this side we don't know. That means, and they also mentioned these two sides are bisect each other. That means they are equal. So then this side also will be 30 degree. Isosceles triangle, opposite sides are equal, right? Opposites of isosceles triangle are equal. So therefore we can say, if you consider the triangle ADOC, let this triangle be DOC, then this is also will be 30. Then similarly, if it is a parallel line, this will be 30 degree. Then this is 60 degree. Then this also will be 60 degree. Clear? So it's clear to you? Ishan, it's clear? Abel, it's clear to you? Chia, no. On the last class, we talk about parallel lines. There are two parallel lines. Okay. Then one transversal lines cut this parallel line. Okay. Gauri. Then we can give all the angles name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. The odd numbers, the odd number angles will be equal. For instance, if this is, let it be 30 degree, then this is also will be 30 degree. This is also will be 30 degree. This is also will be 30 degree. Clear? Then the rest of them will be 180 minus 30 degree. Then this odd numbers will be 1. Even numbers will be 180 minus 30 degree. Clear? What I said, is it now clear? The parallel lines is clear to you? Parallel line and trans. Similarly, we are having a parallel line. Then we extend this a little bit. These are two parallel lines. Okay. Okay. I am extending these line. This line and this one. Now, this is angle 1. A1. Then this is angle 2. And this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Then this will be angle 5, this will be angle 6, this is angle 7 and this is angle 8. Any doubt? So here angle 6 is given as 30 degree, right? So all the odd even numbers angles will be same, right Gauri? So this angle will be 60 degree. Any doubt? No. Next, it's given that these sides are equal. By this symbol, it means these two sides are equal. So I'm going to consider any triangle you can consider. So this is 30 degree. Sorry, it's not 60 degree, it's 30 degree. Okay. Now we are going to consider triangle. Let's take it as triangle DEF. OC. This is the triangle. I'm considering this triangle with one side, that means angle OCD as 30 degree. Since these two sides are equal, that means equal means it's an isosceles triangle, right? It's an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, they are isosceles. What's the property of an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So these two angles will be. Since two sides are equal, then the corresponding angles also will be. So this is also 30 degree. Any doubt? Any doubt, Gauri? So similarly, considering the triangle AOB, this is also will be 30 degree since it is an isosceles triangle. Then the entire it's a rectangle, so each angle is 90 degree, right? For a rectangle, all angles are 90 degree, right? So one is 30 degree, then the other angle will be 90 minus 30 degree, that is 60 degree, right? Yes or no, Gauri? Yeah, similarly we will get this is also 60 degree because 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 degree. Similarly we can get this angle also 90 minus 30 degree, that is 60. Here also it is 90 minus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. This is how we got all the answers. Clear? Now it's clear to you? Now can you try this question? These two sides are equal. That means these two angles are equal. Then how can you find all other angles? Please try. Try this question, second question. Here the tips I already given. These two sides are equal and one angle is given. That means there is an isosceles triangle where these two sides and these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal, but we have the other angle which is not equal. And let's give a name OCR. Now find each angle. Soha, Abel and Chia, please switch on our cameras. Did you got the answer? Did you get the answer? Gavri, did you get the answer? Okay, now let's try this question. So 110, as I said, it's an isosceles triangle, so these two sides are equal, so let's take it as x. Sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180, right? So x plus x, 110 is equal to 180 degree, that is 2x plus 110 degree is equal to 80 degree, that is 2x is equal to 180 minus 110 degree, that is 2x is equal to 70 degree. X equal to 70 by 2, that is equal to 35 degree. That means this side is 35 degree and this side is 35 degree, because these two sides are equal. Since these two are 35, same, if you extend this, it's a parallel line. So same, the opposite, the alternate interior angles will be same. So this is 35 degree and this is also 35 degree. Then the other thing, the sum of the interior angles, sum of each angle is 90 degrees. So this will be 90 minus 35 degree. That is equal to 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. This is how you have to find the answer. Clear? Anyone have doubt?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
How? Why you didn't understand?
Ma'am, now I understand because like it wasn't showing on my screen.
Okay, now you are saying that I already really erased everything. Okay, I will. So I will explain once again, so make it clear to you. It's 110 degree. So exterior angle x plus 110, that is 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 110 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 2x is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 divided by 2, 35 degrees. So these two angles are 35 degree each. So since we extend these lines QR and PS, we will get two parallel lines. So 35 and this angle, alternate interior angles are equal. So this is also 35 degree. Since this is an alternate interior angle, this is also will be 30. As we said before, each angle is 90 minus 30. The sum of this, that means angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So since it was divided into two, so the one angle is 35 degree, then the other one will be 95 minus 35 degrees. See, that is equal to 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. This is also 55 degree. Clear? This is how you have to find this question. Okay. What about you, Ishan? Are you doing the question? You were absent on the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am, I think. I had like, what is it?
Yes, so let's move to the next question. Draw a quadrilateral whose diagonal has equal lengths 8 cm and bisect each other and intersect at an angle of dash.
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide?
Is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is the question. Draw a quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal in length 8 cm. Diagonals are equal. then what will be the intersecting at an angle of dash? Then these bisectors each intersect at an angle of dash. That's the question. Diagonals are equal. Think about the characteristics. Which quadrilateral has diagonals? Very simple. The properties of square. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So each angle of a square is 90 degree, right? So the option C is the correct answer. So that's how you got the answer. Okay. That's one problem. They ask you to draw whose diagonals are equal and 8 centimeter and bisect each other and intersect at an angle of 30. Each question you have to do. It's an MCQ question, then correct answer will be 90. They ask you to draw using 30 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree and 140 degree. I will explain how to draw using 30 degree. Okay. So for that, so first draw a line segment. First I'm going to teach you how to draw 30 degree. First draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. First draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. Did you? And find the middle of 8 centimeter. That means each side should have 4 centimeter each. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So it will be somewhat here. Okay. Now take your protractor. In your protractor, there was a symbol like this at the middle. Like this. You can see a symbol like this. This line should be kept here. This is your protractor. A symbol is like here, and it will be like this. Your protractor looks like this, and there will be more symbols like this. But you have to keep that D like this, where this point is C. Okay, so that point. Oh, sorry, this point is O. You can take it as well. So now take 30 degree in the protractor from line OB. Take 30 degree. Then draw a line. Extend this line on both sides using your scale. And give a name CD. Give a name CD. Now take 4 centimeter in your compass. Now take 4 centimeter. Till here first do that. It should be 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this side will be also 30 degree. Okay. First you have to draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter and find the midpoint. That means each side should have 4 centimeter each, and give a point O and we name it O. Then using your compass take 30 degree. BOC should be 30 degree. Then extend that line. You will get like this. After this you can extend this line. So first you can draw like this. After this, extend this line with your scale without making any mistake. Did you done till here? Gauri, Abel, Ishan, Tia. Okay. Now take your compass. Now take your compass and measure 4 centimeter. Because here the midpoint is 4, right? Because each 8 centimeter is divided into 2, 4 each. So 2 fours. Each 4 centimeter. So you have to take 4 centimeter in the compass. If you divide each line into 3 centimeter or anything like that, then you have to take that measurement in your compass. Then keep the needle point leg of your compass here, and draw an arc that cuts this line like this. Keep the point leg of your compass at the point O and draw an arc which cuts this 2 lines. And we can rename this C and D to here, to this point. To this point. This is now C and this is now D. Okay. Now join AC, BC, CD, everything. You have to join everything. So using your scale, join these points. These points. Like this. It will look exactly like this. Clear? It look exactly like this. Clear? Any doubt? Yes, dear. What's your doubt, Gauri?
Ma'am, is it like this? Because
Let
I think I got the measurements incorrect.
Okay, let me pin you and check whether your answer is correct. No, you made some mistakes. You made lots of mistakes. Arise first. Is it 30 degree? Please check whether it is
Yeah,
30 degree.
it is, it is.
Okay. Measure AC and BD. Do you get same? Measure
Yeah,
AC and BD. Are you getting the same measure?
yes, ma'am.
What about the other two set AD and BC? Is it
I
also
don't
same?
know. Uh,
If you draw correctly, you will get they are also will be equal. Yeah, somewhat this. Okay. So others, please show your book. Abel, Ishan, everybody, Tia, and all. Please show your book so I can check your answers. Now draw. Now Gauri draw. Instead of 30 degree, you have to take 40 degree and draw this figure. Try this. Instead of 30 degree, take 40 and draw. What about you, Abel? Did you draw the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show your book to the camera so I can share.
One
Yeah. Ishan, what about you? Did you finish drawing this figure? Ishan, did you finish drawing this? Today you are looking so good, Tia.
no, ma'am, I'm not done
What
yet.
happened? You are having your hair looking good. Everything is looking keeping good. What happened? You take a pic and keep it with you, so you can check whenever you want. Did you finish drawing the figure? Yeah, show your book. Why it's too small? Okay, fine. Is it 8 centimeter? The diameters are 8 centimeter. Okay. Then what about its length and breadth? Could you please type it in the chat box? Ishan, what about your? Did you draw?
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
Make it fast. What about you, Abel? Albert. What's your name? Could you pronounce it for me?
album.
Albert. Okay, sure. Okay, then please show your book if you.
I'm here.
Ishan,
Yeah.
Ishan, did you draw using your scale and pencil? Did you use compass?
No, I use my scale and pencil. Scale and pen.
Scale and where is your protractor then?
In my
I
bag.
asked you to take your geometry box and draw.
Okay.
It's not a rough figure. I didn't ask you to draw a rough figure.
Ma'am, I'm done with 40 degree.
Okay, you were done with the 40 degree. Then show me. What about you, Abel? Did you finish?
No, no.
Yeah, now it's clear. Now it's correct, dear. It is 40 degree. Yeah, fine. That's correct. Now you got an idea, right, Gauri? You have to use a geometry box, geometry instruments to draw this. Since I don't have a facility to draw using the geometry box, I have done a rough figure. Try to draw you 30, 90 degree now. So finish drawing 30 degree, 40 degree, then now try 90 degree. Albert,
No, one minute.
I didn't see your book yet.
Ma'am, I finished 90 degree.
Yes? Show your book then. Turn your camera and show your book. What about you, Soha? Are you there? Did you draw Ishan?
No, no, I'm not
Okay.
done yet.
Should I have to help you?
Yeah, I don't understand the 91.
Okay, I will help you. Now first draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Abel and Ishan, please try first. Take your scale and pencil, draw a line segment of 8 centimeter and give name AB as 8 centimeter. Do this first.
Everyone.
Is this right?
Okay, wait. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, did you draw? Ishan, did you draw?
1 minute, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, is this correct?
No, let me check. Yeah, that's correct. Perfect.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. Take your now find the midpoint of 8 centimeter. What's the half of 8? 4, right? So each side should be 4 centimeter. Find the midpoint and give name O. This AO should be 4 centimeter and BO should be 4 centimeter. Is it clear, Ishan? Did you draw, Ishan? Did you find the point O? Albert, did you find the point O?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Why? Take 4 centimeter each. Take your compass. No, take your scale and measure the line. When it comes after 4 centimeter, give a point. That's it. Isha. Did you done that? Ishan, did you done that? Now take your protractor and draw a 90-degree angle. I am doing the third question for you. Take your protractor and draw a 90-degree angle. Do you know how to measure an angle of 90 degree? Ishan? Do you know how to
No.
measure 90 degree in the protractor?
Oh, yeah, I think I can. Maybe let me check.
Yeah. This will, okay. This is the shape of your protractor, somewhat like this. Okay. There is a line like this, point. So you have to keep this point here, like this. Then there is a protractor like this. This will be. And it has lots of measurement like 20 and something. Okay, so you here I ask you to draw 90 degree. It will be somewhat here. Erase the rest. Okay, so it will be looks somewhat like this, a straight line. Similarly, extend this line as much as you can. Now now do these things. Did you draw, Ishan? Okay, now take 90 degree in your compass. Now take 90 degree in your compass. No, not 90 degree. Now take 4 centimeter in your compass. Sorry, not 90 degree. Take 4 centimeter in your compass. Do you have compass with you? Hello, Ishan. Do you have compass with you?
No, ma'am.
Take your compass and come.
Okay.
And the next class onwards, please make sure to bring your geometry box. Others, please draw 140 degree. Okay, now take 4 centimeter in a compass. Did you took? Did you take? Ishan, did you take? Then yeah. Then keep the point leg of your compass here at point O and draw an arc like this. If you draw correctly, it will look like similar to this. Then and give name C and D. C and D. Now join each. If you draw correctly, you will get a perfect square. If you draw correctly, you will get a perfect square. Now show your book to me. After finishing, please show your book.
Ma'am.
Now also you used your pen. I will kick you out from my class. Okay. You are not supposed to use your pen, dear. Okay, now consider a circle with the center O, a line segment PL and AP are perpendicular to the diameter. Okay. What is the figure APML? Reason or experiment to this figure? You didn't learn that yet. Now draw the diagonal. Okay, that question you didn't study it yet. The diagonal of a rectangle ABCD intersect at a point O. Then angle BOC is 50 degree. Find angle. So first we can consider a rectangle. This is a rectangle, okay? Rectangle ABCD that has a diagonals like this. Like this. BOC, that is, so this is the point O and this is 50 degree. Then find angle OAD. You have to find this angle. Kindly find. Same for the first question. Same Same question as the first question. Do this. And yes, it properly. It's fine with me, but no, you may end up with this in some other class or in some other situation. So I said, for me, it's totally fine. Okay. Since it's an online platform, sit properly. Okay, dear. For me, it's 100% fine. If you sit like or if you dance in my class, that's fine with me. But it's an online platform. We can't say anything. Yes, Ishan. Yes, Ishan. Did you call me? Okay, do this question. Did you got the answer? Are you doing the question? Okay, let me explain the question. So this is 50 degree. Then this angle also will be 50 degree. As we all know, if two lines intersect, the opposite angles are equal. That means if it is 50 degree, this is also 50 degree. Then this is will be 180 minus 50 degree. This is 180 minus 50 degree. That means in general, if two lines intersect each other, what is the figure? I have to ask you to find OAB, right? Okay. So that is equal to 50 degree, 50 degree. Sorry, if it is x, this is also x. Then this will be 180 minus x. This is 180 minus x. Since these are x degrees. This is x. Since these are x degree, then it will be 180 minus x degree. So similarly, this is 50 degree, so this is also 50. Then they ask you to find angle OAB, that is angle OAB. As said before, this is an angle. Since if these two diagonals are equal, there should be line diagonals are equal. Then if it is 50 degree, then these two angles are x degree. So x plus 50 degree is equal to 180, because sum of the interior angle of the triangle is 180. That is 2x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is 2x is equal to 180 minus 50 degree. That's equal to 2x equal to 130 degree. So for x is equal to 130 degree by 2, that is 75 degree. So this is 75 degree each. The same question what I asked you to do on the previous. Then also you make mistake. You are not thinking it, you are not doing it properly. That's the reason. Construct a square with a diagonal 6 cm. That's the question. I already taught you on last class. Since Gauri and all was not there, I will be explaining it again. First, draw a straight line of 6 centimeter. 6. First, draw a line of 6 centimeter in the compass and mark it as 6 centimeter in the compass. Okay, using scale. Did you draw a straight line? Straight line AB of 6 centimeter. Ishan, draw a line segment of AB of 6 centimeter. I am saying it particularly for you. Abel also the same. Albert, please switch on your camera and do it. Now take your compass and take nearly roughly more than half of 6, that is 3-4 centimeter, and draw an arc above and below by keeping the compass at the point leg of the compass at the point A, and take in your compass take more than half of 6, that is more than half of 6 means more than 3 centimeter. You can take any rough number and draw an arc like this above and below the line. Did you? First draw a line segment AB of 6 centimeter or AC of 6 centimeter. Then take your compass and take more than 3 centimeter. It can be any measurement, 4, 5. It's up to you. Not 6. It should be between 3 and 6. And draw an arc from the point A. The arc should be above the line and also below the line. Without changing the measurement in the compass, take the compass and keep it at C. Again repeat the process like this. You have to draw again 2 arcs which intersect the previous arcs. That should intersect the previous arcs. Okay, now join these points. Now join these points and mark this point as O. Now take half of 6 centimeter, that's 3 centimeter in the compass, exactly 3 centimeter in the compass, and draw an arc like this and give name BD. Give point name B. Now join AB, BC, CD and AD. You will get a perfect square. And now show your books, each of you. I have to explain once again. Here, did you draw? Okay, show your book. What about my Ishan? Did you draw? Soha, are you there?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yeah, it's perfect. Please check whether all the sides are equal. What about my Tia? Always you are the one who do well. What happened to you? My girls are very good. Do all the sides are equal? What about you, Ishan? Did you complete it?
Not done yet. Not fully.
Make it fast. What about you, Albal? Are you there, Albal?
Yes, ma'am, still.
Still drawing, you didn't show anything yet. Did you use your compass to draw this? No. Ishan,
Ma'am, I don't have compass.
you don't have compass. How? When you come to the max class, especially it's a geometry based class, you have to bring your geometry box, right?
Yeah.
Next day, when you come for the next class, please draw using your compass and bring. What about you, Abel? Now find IOD in this figure. PAIR, that is pair and root, are two rectangles. Find angle IOD. That means this angle you have to find. Very simple question. Can you try this question? Gauri, do this question. You have to find this angle. This is the question.
Ma'am, is it 30 degree?
No. How it will be 30 degree? Yeah, that's 30 degree. But you have to explain how did you got that. It's 30 degree. What you said is right, but you have to explain how you got that. Tia, Ijan also the same.
Ma'am, is it because of adjacent angles?
No. Now listen here. First, consider the triangle. First, we are going to consider the triangle ROI. This is that triangle. Here, this is 90 degree because it's a rectangle, right? So, sum of the interior angle of a rectangle is, that means angle R plus angle I plus angle ROI. That means this angle is equal to 180 degree because sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So angle R, it's already given 30 degree. Angle I, you know that's 90 degree plus angle ROI, we don't know that angle, that is 180. So next, I adding these two angles, we will get 120 degree. 120 degree plus angle ROI equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ROI is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. That is equal to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Now you have to find the other. We already said angle ROI plus angle IOD is equal to 90 degree because each angle of a square rectangle, this is a one rectangle RODS, right? So this is 90 degree, completely it is 90 degree, right? So we already know what's angle ROA, that is 60 plus IOD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle IOD is equal to 90 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. This is how you got 30 degree. Okay, now this is 30 degree. Now it's clear to you? Louis, Tia. It's clear, Gauri? Okay, fine. Then what will be this angle? We already studied on the last class, sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is dash, Ria. Sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral. What do you mean by sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is equal to dash, Tia? 360 degrees. So each angle, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D equal to 360 degree. Sorry, this is angle C. Okay. So that is x plus 100 plus 75 plus 80. You see 80 degrees equal to 360 degree. So that is x plus, while adding this 180, 155 plus, 255 degree is equal to 360 degree. Have to add all this together. That is 360 degree minus 255 degree. That is equal to 360 minus 255. This becomes 10 and this becomes 5. So that is 5, 0, 1. That is x degree is equal to 105 degree. So angle A is equal, that means angle X is equal to 105 degree. It's clear? So you must thorough with the statement. Sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. Sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. It's clear? Okay, now bring your doubt, Gauri. You don't have any doubt.
Ma'am, I do. Is it like I have some doubts in it to ask. Like it's not related to this. Like it's related to the topic because I have math exam tomorrow. I need some help.
Some?
I have math exam tomorrow, so I need some help.
Okay, please give your questions. Okay,
Uh,
others can leave the class. If you want, you can stay and listen to the doubts. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Yeah, tell your doubts.
Ma'am, the first thing is, can you explain to me how you do like how do you find the angles?
How do you find angles? There are many properties to find angles. So you have to use each property. What it's based on the question. If it is a triangle, you can use some of the interior angle property. If it is isosceles triangle, yeah,
Triangle, rectangle, can I? Rectangle.
rectangle. Then there are, in rectangle all the angles are equal. That means uh, in a rectangle each angle is 90 degree. All this angle is 90 degree each. So there are only two properties. Either you can use bisect property, that parallel line stands for that property you can use, and you can use that. These are the two important properties you needed to find the angle measurements. Either
Oh,
intersecting lines where you use this property, x degree, 180 minus x degree. This will be used here to find these angles. Okay, if you want to find these angles, you have to use the parallel line property.
ma'am, can I know the parallel line property because I have a
Yeah,
similar
this
this.
is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is alternate interior angle property. If all the odd number angles are same, if it is x degree, then this is also x degree. This is, this is, I made a mistake. This is 4. This is 3, 3, 4. If it is x degree, then 3 also will be x degree. This is also x degree. This is x, this is x, this is also x degree, this is also x degree. Okay, then this will be 180 minus x degree. This 4 will be 180 minus x degree. 6 will be 180 minus x degree. And this will be 180 minus x. That means all the odd numbers angles are same and all the even numbers angles are same. Only you have to carefully put the number for the angles. That property will be used. Clear?
So,
We
ma'am, I
already
also have
discussed it.
another.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
what was
also
that?
have another doubt. If we get an angle like more than 90 degrees, do we use like do we, example this one I did for 140. I didn't complete it, but do you do it like this?
Yeah, we will be doing it like this itself.
But for actually like for a protractor, there are outer numbers and inner numbers. So if we can use any one of them, right?
Yeah, you can use any one of them. It's up to you.
Okay.
But the angle measurement you have to choose correctly. If you're planning to use the outer scale, then use completely the outer scale. If you're planning to use the inner scale, you have to use inner scale completely for all the measurements.
Okay.
Because if you use both, your answer is going to get wrong. So you can
Okay.
only use one measurement, either inner or either outer.
And then, does this entire chapter have like construction of rhombus, then construction of
Yeah, we
rhomb?
will be studying that on the next classes. But till now, we only discussed about square and rectangle.
Like in this chapter, because tomorrow is my math exam, and
Yeah,
I
you
don't
will
have.
be having it.
Is it like how many? What all of them should I? What all of them are there?
You will have the questions related to how to draw a parallelogram, rhombus, and everything. For example, I can quickly teach you rhombus if two diagonals are given, similar to square. Draw use similar to square.
Ma'am, can you teach me like how to do a parallelogram? Just give me the steps, like how to do a parallelogram. For square, I already did, and for rectangle, I don't know, and for rhombus also.
Okay, I think you can study using the videos in the online. That will be far better than the steps.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
That will be far better. For this time, I can't explain that in this particular time frame. But if you can check with the YouTube videos, you can study that. Since for the tomorrow's exam, just cop up with that. Otherwise, you had lots of time before. You have to ask for an exam support class. But you failed to do that.
Ma'am, I already asked, but like they gave an answer, but they didn't like give how to construct it.
Oh, the teacher could. Okay, yeah, okay,
Yeah.
fine, fine, fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, then use a YouTube video and try to do. Okay, now it's clear. Till square and rectangle is clear to you. What I taught you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to write. Okay, you just check with the YouTube videos. You will get a simple idea regarding this. Now try that. You take your textbook questions and try the after checking with the YouTube videos. Check with the textbook questions and try to draw. Okay. There are
Okay.
you can type the textbook question to the YouTube. They will give the correct answer. Not to the ChatGPT or anything. Just to YouTube. You will get the particular questions construction itself. You will be getting because it's a CBSE textbook. So same questions you get. There is a high possibility. Not I'm saying you will definitely get. There is a high chance to get the same questions answer. Okay, for diagonal rhombus also the same. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Then okay, I can't help you a lot. Just study the characteristics of all the quadrilaterals. That also you
Ma'am,
can do.
yes, ma'am, I don't have kite and trapezium to study.
Okay, you don't have kite and trapezium. Then wow, that's so great. Then you will be thorough with the topics. Then just go through the parallel lines and parallelograms. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
to construct that and study the properties. If you for tomorrow's exam, you just do these things. You may end up losing 1 or 2 marks. That's it because you may get 1 or 2 marks question from the parallelogram side. Maximum you are going to get you will lose 3 marks. All other marks you will get. I am definitely sure about it. Since you studied all the topics what I taught you today, go through that questions after the class, especially the square. How to find the other angles of rectangle and square. Okay,
Okay,
use
ma'am.
the isosceles properties and everything. Okay, since I hope
Ma'am,
you yeah.
ma'am, I also have one doubt. Today, we did the like for this one, we drew a triangle, like rectangle, right? For this one.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah,
so if in the like exam paper they ask to draw a triangle, like a rectangle, can we draw that?
yeah, definitely. If they didn't mention any measurements, you can draw this. If they gave some measurements, you have to change accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it all your doubts are clarified?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Within this short time frame, I can only help you like this. Okay. Okay. That's why I ask you to check with the YouTube videos. Otherwise, if you have 5 or 10 minutes more, I will be definitely helping you to do that stuff. Okay. Sorry. Bye. See you and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go through what I said. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, dear.
Thank you.